Kia ora mai. The learning team at Te Papa want to give you a taste of our favourite digital tools. He kai ke aku ringa, he koha mō te katoa. Gamefroot is a free website designed to help everyone learn block-based coding by creating their own games. Their Mihi Maker tutorial is one of the most useful to our learners because it celebrates the context of Aotearoa. The step-by-step instructions will teach you how to edit code, prepare your pepeha, and build a game all about you. Follow us on YouTube or Facebook for more tasty morsels. Hei te wā!